You're not allowed here.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, everything! Everything family. Yes, we are everything family, guys. Good morning! And ito yung buhok ko the next day. Hindi ko siya iligo ng ilang araw. Wala na tayong buhok na parang anagon. Yung mais kasi hindi ko talaga naalagaan yung buhok na yun. Maganda man mag-color, guys, pero expensive man pabalik-balik sa salon. Ngayon is Monday, so uuwi si Mister. Yung kamatis natin, masaya siya. Hopefully, hindi siya maging niwang luya. Yan, okay naman siya dyan. Keratin, guys, yung serum. Maghanap ako ng keratin na treatment. Kasi merong treatment na parang i-apply mo lang siya keratin. So, let me know, guys, kung meron kayong alam na keratin na pang treatment sa buhok, na maganda siya, i-apply mo siya maybe once a week. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano, baka meron sa Amazon, ganun. Monday ngayon, at saka uwi si Mister, pero hindi ko alam kung uwi ba talaga or ano, kasi ulan ng ulan din. Grabe yung disaster ngayon, guys, sa Tennessee din. Grabe, nag-start Saturday and then pagka the next day, 24-hour lang yung ulan. May namatay, yung mga bahay is ano, parang mga laruan na yung mga sasakyan, mga bahay, boat, yung mga ganun, parang naging laruan na sa Tennessee na ano ako ba, wow, grabe naman ito eh. Ano nangyari sa mundo? Ngayon, ulan na ulan. Masarap yung ulan talaga pakinggan na walang hangin. Pero guys, yung mga flood zone, yung mga area na nababahaan, yun yung nakakaano. Buti na lang dito sa amin, hindi siya ano kasi nga, bukirin, diba? Labas tayo, guys. Masarap mag-muni-muni. Kinuha ko yung mga cushion dito sa likuran, dito. Saka yung cushion doon, kinuha ko para hindi lilipad. Binaba ko yung grill na maliit para hindi lilipad. Pero wala namang hangin dito na masama. Kahapon lang, may hangin konti ngayon, pero natural naman yan. So, upo-upo lang tayo dito. Sa airplane, oy. Talawan man, dito, oy. Di man na dalugdog. Akala niya thunder. Airplane, oy. Lumipad. Airplane. Talawan man karoks, oy. Oh my God, all of you are here. All of you. Oh my goodness. You wanna go out too, Habs? Oh my God. You guys like the rain too? Do you guys like to listen the rain? Itong dalawa ba? They like it when I open the sliding door. Tingnan nyo itong mga mukha nito. Yung si Monkey. Yung... Anong mga plano ninyo? Dimples? What's your plan? You looking at Mama Dimp? Look at me, Habs. Good boy. Good boy. Oh my God, you know today is Monday and somebody's coming. Tignan nyo yung ulo ni Roxy. Somebody's coming today. dumating na yung mga order natin from Amazon. Look. Nagbihis lang ako, guys. Binalik ko lang itong sinuot ko kahapon kasi hindi naman siya madumi. Ilang oras ko lang. Ano to? Isa na lang yung kulang. Ano to? Ay, ang palaya, guys. Bitter melon seed. So, meron na tayo niyan. So, meron na tayong ito sa ano ko to. Mag-ano ako ng isa, let's say kung tutubo, and then the rest is for next year, summer. And ito din, ito yung in-order ko para kay Mister. Nakarating na. Kasi guys, explain ko lang ha, sumakit yung tuhod ni Tami. And parang may tinitake siya ba? And then, expired na. So, sabi ko, orderan ko nga ito. So, in-orderan ko siya. Okay naman sa kanya din kasi 4 ito eh. So, ipakita ko sa inyo ha kasi ma-apply ito ninyo guys. At saka gumagana talaga siya. Nox. Ito yan. Hindi ko maano. Ipakita ko sa inyo kung gelatin. Gelatin is i-mix nyo siya sa tubig na iniinom nyo. Huwag sa coffee. May instruction, I think, meron naman yung makita. Basta sa tubig, and then, i-mix nyo lang siya. Para siyang jelly, pero pag i-mix mo siya sa tubig, maganda ito para sa tuhod. Ito yung iniinom ni Tami. And, matagal na kasing hindi niya nainom, kaya yung iniinom niya ngayon, expired na, itatapon ko yan. Hindi na kasi si Tami nakainom nito. Nag-stop siya, kaya bumalik yung sakit sa tuhod niya. At sa ngayon, nag-start na naman siyang uminom. So, yun. Grabe yung ano, dagom. Ang itim ng langit, grabe. Parang tornado nata ito. Tornado ba to? Wala man daw hangin. Alam niyo bakit takot ako? Takot ako for Roxy. Goodness. Just kind of nervous. Nervous. Ang bilis tumubo ng damo. Grabe. Kakakat ko lang. Ang itim ng langit, dako. I don't know kung makikita ninyo, pero yun. So, nyari. Ay, ang hirap naman ito, ulan. Hindi kasi ako nagdala ng ano, nag-raincoat. Kaloka naman ito. Ay, wala akong raincoat. Kunin ko lang itong ano bag para hindi na ako mag-open. Ito mga bag para hindi na ako isahang ano na lang. Ay, nako, kaloka na ito. Hi guys. Wala akong raincoat eh. Hindi ako nagdala kasi akala ko maitim lang yung ano, langit. Maitim lang yung langit and then walang. Anyway, so hintayin ko lang itong ulan guys na I think hindi ito maghilom, so I guess tatakbo na lang talaga ako. Hi.
Hey.
Where are you?
Oh, getting everything ready to leave. I'm just making a check so I can drop them in the mailbox for the oil and for the carton.
Oil and gardener?
Yeah.
How much is the gardener total? It's probably 3,000.
That's 2,300. Oh.
Oh my god, it's like a mortgage.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know when was that?
That was the bill was from last. It came in August 4th, so it's through July.
So now I want that gardener to be paid every month. And how much is the oil?
Almost 1,000. Oh.
Oh my god, that means you take a lot of money.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Oh, it's raining over there?
Not right now. It's not. Yeah, actually, I take it back. It is.
It's I'm here on the parking lot and it's pouring, so I'm in the car.
Yeah, you know what?
Yeah, it's pouring right here. I cannot even go out in the car. It's like pouring crazy.
Yeah, well, you got a hurricane warning in effect over there.
Hurricane? Where? Here?
Well, some kind of heavy flood warning, not a hurricane warning.
Yeah, there's no hurricane. It's just really cloudy, so dark. That's all.
Well, a warning came on for that area.
I'm going to go to the grocery and I'm gonna be wet. Yeah, I know driving. It's like crazy. The road.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I have to go now. I won't bring you. Okay, I'm done. Pero guys, yung sapatos ko is kailangan ng itapon pag masira na. Kasi kapag mainit, itry ko siyang ibilad, labhan, and then ilagay sa init. Kasi, oh my goodness. Oh, grabe. Pouring. Colors talaga. Basang-basa yung ano ko, oh. Sasakyan interior. Dito sa may basa. Kaloka. Anyway guys, so let's go. Oh, may tao dito. Yung sapatos ko, mabuti pa tong isa may may umbrella. Ambre. So let's go guys. Let's see kung makapag-backing tayo dito, be. Yun. Okay, let's go. Bakit itong lalaki? Kanina pa to ba? Sunod ng sunod. Nag-parking lang siya. And then, andito, nag-parking. Sinundan na naman ako. Let's go. Nakakatakot kasi yung daan, may mga tubig. Mafe-feel mo talaga yung tubig, yung gulong ba? Na gano'n, ching! Ching! Oh my God! What? Come on. Aray, gino ko. Oh, what? Kinukuha nila yung attention ko. Sisigaw-sigaw. You think I like that? You think mama like it? I don't like that. I don't like that. Your mouth is so big. And you too. Okay, let's go out. Okay, hala, Dada's outside. So, ito lang yung nabili ko, guys. Karne. Para sa gulay. Kasi masarap magkarne with gulay. Ito, Tammy's dinner. And, kay Tammy dinner, kasi alam nyo na, Tammy. At ito bukas for my baby. Everything is about my baby. Me, I probably have one strip with this. I-grill natin with garlic dito lang natin i-grill. Kumuha ako ng benene. And kumuha din ako ng plantain kasi gusto kong kumain ng plantain. Hinog na siya, guys. And kumuha ako ng string beans kasi gusto kong magluto nga ng gulay at saka mix with cabbage. Cabbage ba to? Whatever. Green cabbage, yeah. Yun. And salad for my baby tomorrow. And, of course, bumili ako ng, sabi ko kay Tamihan, I feel like eating na, yung pineapple. Matagal na akong naghingi ng pineapple. So, yun, meron na tayong prutas dito, girl. Hi, guys! So, ito, guys, luto na tayo, guys. At itong pork na to is may taba. So, ang gagawin ko is unahin natin yung taba para mag-release ng taba, oil, 'di ba? At nilagyan ko ng konting oil din dito para hindi siya. Ito yung karne. Yun. Lutuin ko lang ito. Simple lang naman at alam naman ninyo kung paano magisa. So, igigisa ko lang naman ito. Brown natin para mag-release ng oil. And then ito. And then, pagkatapos niyan is itong sangkap natin. Yan. And then yung gulay. Yan lang. Who's here? Why everybody's happy?
Oh, man.
Oh my goodness, their dada's home. Hello, honey.
Hang on.
I'm cooking quick, but I can't. It's not
How many
quick
kids
enough.
will man go run?
Where is the kid?
They were gonna tramp.
Oh, it's right here. It's like, Dada, come here. 3 times. No. Obviously, their Dada is home. So, okay guys, ito na siya guys. Hello, ilagay ko na itong ano guys, kasi na siya. It's burning already, Han. It's burning, love. Seriously, boy. Seriously, boy. Let her jealous. Let her jealous. Let her jealous.
I'm jealous. You're not allowed here. No. No. Dada's not coming out. Dada's won't out.
Let her jealous. Come on, let me hug you. Hug me. Let her jealous. Let her
You
jealous.
just make it rain. Knocking over my leg. Come on, let's.
Han, why is she jealous, Han?
She's waiting for me. Okay, I'll go.
Jealousy is the best policy, Rocks. So, hi guys! So, magluluto na ako ng beef na binili ko. Ito yung binili ko. Di ba pinakita ko sa inyo yun? Dito natin siya lulutuin dyan. Yun lang naman. Simpleng, anuhan. Lagyan ko lang siya ng garlic and then i-season ko to and then parang i-grill ko na siya dyan. And then, for me, it's like sobrang luto. And then, kay Tami is parang hilaw. Yun naman yung ano namin. Saka yun din yung gusto ni Mister, kaya... Can you open it? I'll open it. I use my foot, honey. That's how Asian do. Chunk! Yun, tapos na yung gulay natin, guys. Tapos na siya. And, ito na naman. My husband, and then we're gonna eat. Oh, I need that thing.
You try some of the new seasonings up there.
Huh?
You try some new seasonings up there. You try.
What is it? Oh, the yellow thing?
No, well, the buttery steakhouse.
Yeah, but don't put mine, huh? Because mine...
Why? It's like a buttery steakhouse. You might like
No,
that.
I just want mine. I just eat one for me. So you can season yours.
You might try this. You might like it.
No.
It's got steak. It's like the steakhouse seasonings with like a dry butter mixed into it.
Okay, butter. It's a butter. It's a real butter.
Buttery steakhouse.
Oh, okay. Then let's try it. That's it?
No, you can put some garlic and no salt on it. No, really? Me, salt. Seriously. I'm sure there is some salt in that.
You
There
don't know.
always is. Most seasonings have some salt in them. Also some suggestion that they might have. Now I'll take one chicken in the shell, and the other two is chicken.
What?
I'll take one chicken in the shell, and the other two is right here.
Okay. So yan guys. Yeah, you add garlic because to make the aroma good too. Garlic is good. The smell of garlic is yummy. Kain na kami guys. Look. Si Mr. Si hi. Look.
Hi guys.
Hi guys! So ngayon guys, tapos na kaming kumain. So ngayon, hindi ako nakapag-vlog after. Naglilinis pa ako, ganon. Nililinis ko pa yung mga pinaglulutuan ko. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog after kasi kausap ko yung papa ko. Kasi nag-ask siya sa akin ba kasi kapag may mga pinaplano kasi sila, lalo na pag mga move, inaano nila ako parang sinasabihan nila ako ba. So, ang gusto ng papa ko, guys, is gusto niyang bumalik ng probinsya. I mean, probinsya man yung Davao is malapit. Sobrang lapit sila kasi sa airport. Hindi man sobrang lapit. Malapit sila sa city talaga. Pero parang bukirin siya tignan. Nag-ask siya sa akin kung pwede ba daw magpunta sila doon. And kung okay lang ba daw, magpunta sila sa bukirin, yung probinsya kung saan sila lumaki. Kung saan kami lumaki. And then, saan din lumaki yung parents ko. So, yun. Sabi ko, okay lang naman mag-anto sila doon. Pero, sabi ko, wag nang yung mag-farm ba, magpa-farm, mag-ano pa ng mga, magkat-kat ng mga lubi, basta yung mga ganun ba, magputol ng mga kahoy, magkarga ng mga kahoy. Sabi ko, wag nang ganun kasi nga, pahinga na nga eh. Yung parang, relax na lang ba. So, ngayon, nag-alala ako, sabi ko, saan kayo magtira? Titira, yung bahay ng grandma ko, sabi ko, doon na lang kayo. Titira doon sa bahay ng lula ko, sa mama ng mama ko. So, kasi doon din nila gusto, so which is okay naman. So, ngayon, yung mama ko, hindi marunong gumamit ng cellphone. Hindi talaga marunong, kahit noon, binigyan ko na yan ng cellphone sila. Isisirain, ibigay sa anak, ganun. Sa kapatid ko. So, kaya hindi siya matuto. Sabi ko, paano na yan? At saka sa auntie ko sa mga agoy. So, sa mga agoy, may auntie kasi ako, kapatid ng mama. So, doon na lang tatawag-tawag. So, yun, tawag-tawag na lang ako, ganon. So, yun yung so, nakapag-desisyon yung papa ko. Gusto nilang, magbalik sa probinsya yung buhay bukirin. Kasi parang, doon talaga sila lumaki, guys. Parang, yun na yung life nila. Sabi pa ng papa, relax. Gusto niya mag-relax. Parang gusto niya yung buhay doon. Sabi ko, sige, yun yung gusto mo. At saka also ngayon, hanggang ngayon guys, yung update, hindi pa rin okay yung pakiramdam ng papa ko. So, luya daw siya, parang nanghihina. Mahina pa yung katawan niya. So, mahina. Nakikita ko naman na sobrang hina-hina pa yung katawan niya. Wala siyang balakas. Wala talaga siyang lakas. Parang nag-alala tuloy ako kung anong sakit niya. So, this coming Friday, magpa-doktor na naman siya. So yun. And ano ba bang update? Yun. Sabi ko, magtanim-tanim kayo ng gulay sa palibot ng bahay ng lola ko. Tanim-tanim kayo ng gulay para para meron kayong gulayan, di ba? At saka gusto nilang parintahan yung bahay sa Davao. Sabi ko, wag na yung parintahan kasi hindi natin alam kung sino yung magre-renta, and then So ngayon, ang sinasabi ko lang is patirahin mo yung isang kapatid ko, kung ayaw niya, yung isang kapatid ko, yun, sila na lang dyan. Yun, sila na lang magtira doon sa bahay. Kasi ayaw kong parintahan, guys. Bahala na. ayaw kong iparinta yung bahay doon. Kahit hindi man yun kagandahan, pero iba pa rin talaga pag iba. Hindi ako ganun. Ayaw ko yung parang may ibang taong nakatira. So, yun lang guys. Iin ko na tong vlog kasi, you know, alam nyo na, I think it's 9 o'clock, almost 9 o'clock na. And yun, hindi kami nga nagpa-TV ni Mr. And, love, sabi ko guys, what do you think of my black hair? He said. I like it. I like when it's original.
I like your hair black. That's the way it was.
You like my hair black?
Right.
Original, but this is not original anymore.
Well, not anymore now. If you go to a nightclub, it'll glow purple.
Glow purple?
Yep.
No.
Yep.
No, you're joking. There's a lot of people black, color black here, honey.
It'll have a purple glow.
Really? How about?
Under a black light, it'll have a purple glow.
Really? Anyway, guys, good night, guys. We're gonna end the vlog. I'm with my baby today. I'm with my Lolo. What are you watching, Lo? What are you watching? Oh, I love my baby. Oh, yeah, I miss this guy so much, even though he keep leaving me. He keep leaving me and leaving me and leaving me. That's his job since he's with me. Anyway, guys, thank you, guys. We're gonna see you tomorrow. Good night. Bye.
Hey, guys.